To decorate your clear tier using pressed flowers, you'll need your clear tier. Here I have a 6-inch round by 4-inch high clear tier. You'll need some tweezers, a paintbrush, some edible glue or egg white, a piece of kitchen roll to dab off any excess glue, and your pressed flowers. Now I'm going to put my pressed flowers inside the clear tier, so I need to remove the lid first. And then squeezing out some edible glue, I'm going to take my paintbrush and dab it into the glue, wiping off any excess so that I've not got too much on there. Choose a flower, dab a little glue on top of the front of the flower because that's the side that's going to show, and then use my tweezers, lift up the flower and carefully press it into place where I would like it, and then repeat with your other flowers. So again, I'm going to get some edible glue, paint it on the front of my flower, and then using my tweezers, I'll line it up in place where I'd like the flower to go and push it into place.